Bomb explosion near Kabul, Gurudwara, month after terror attack. Members of the Sikh and Hindu communities are reported to be safe. Further details are awaited, said Puneet Singh Chandhok. Hi and hello, welcome to my channel Trending News. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. A bomb exploded near Karte Parwan Gurudwara in Kabul on Wednesday, a month after the holy place was attacked by members of the Islamic State. Members of the Sikh and Hindu communities are reported to be safe. Further details are awaited, said Puneet Singh Chandhok, president of the Indian World Forum. Last month, Islamic State Khorasan province ISKP attacked the Gurudwara, which claimed lives of dozens of Sikhs and Taliban members. Religious minorities in Afghanistan, including the Sikh communities, have been targets of violence in Afghanistan. The Taliban, which rose to power in Afghanistan 2021, claims to have secured the country, but repeated terrorist attacks not only contradict those claims but also give way to the international community's concerns of potential risk of military reassurance. Thank you for watching my video.